just make a heading. Tension. Yes, Shashi?
Sir, in the above diagram, T2 sine 45 equals to T3 sine 60.
No, T2 sine 45 plus, because both are acting in the same direction.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Right. Chalo. Tension. So under tension, yes, Sonu?
Sir, in T2 angle you have taken a downward, sir. It should taken a about line.
Which you are taking?
Yeah, T2 cos 45, na sir.
This angle is 45 degree, no? If this is
Sir.
45, this is also 45.
Observe. Yes, sir, but it should. We should compare with the upward triangle, na sir.
Why? Who told that? Is there any book written over
Sir,
this?
you had.
You are not
Sir,
understanding.
in first diagram you have taken.
Physics is not like bullfight. Just wait. If I take this angle to be theta, then this is going to be T2 cos theta. This is going to be T2 sin theta. If I take this angle is 90 minus theta. So then if I resolve, it is going to be T2 cos 90 minus theta. This is going to be T2 sine of 90 minus theta. I hope you are satisfied now.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Fine. So tension here we are only going to calculate. We are going to see for vertical ropes. As of now. So what I am going to consider? I am going to consider that suppose there is a rigid support, and from that rigid support a rope is hanging, and at the end of the rope there is a block. Right. Yeah. Mass of the block is capital M. Mass of the rope is small m. Length of the rope is L. There are 2 points. Here is point P, topmost point. The point at which the block is attached, I am taking it to be Q. And somewhere in the middle we have point C. We are taking this distance as X. So definitely this will be L minus X. Okay. Yes, Satya?
Sir, in the previous problem I have a doubt, sir.
Okay. So try to tell me before I start the next topic. Okay, tell me.
Sir, you took. Someone see my video, sir. Sir, we should take like Indian angle should take 45 degrees here, no, sir.
Were you sleeping when I was explaining this?
No, sir.
So then, what you understood?
No, sir. You took T2, no, sir. Then it will come. If you take 45 degrees here, it should come T2 sin theta, no, sin 45 degrees, no, sir.
So what is the difference between cos 45 degree and sin 45 degree?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You are taking this angle as the base angle. I am taking this angle as the base angle. Resolution can be done with the help of both angles. Like,
okay, sir. Okay,
if you are
sir.
taking this angle is 60 degree, so what about this angle? This angle is 30 degree, no? So this T3
Yes, sir.
sin 60 degree can be written as T3 cos 30 degree. This T3 cos 60 degree can be written as T3 sin 30 degree. What is the difference?
Okay, sir.
Got my point now? Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
resolution can be done with any of the angle. It matters which base angle you are taking.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Chalo. No more discussion on this point. So now, concept I am writing. What is the concept? Concept is tension at a point is generated by the weight of the portion which is hanging below that point. Okay, so what I'm saying, tension at a point is generated by the weight of the portion which is hanging below the point. All right, clear? Fine. Now let's see. If I think about this point C, so tension at point C as per the concept is equal to weight of the rope of length CQ. Check it. Below C, this much portion of the rope is hanging. So weight of the rope of length CQ plus weight of the block. Tell me, is this okay? Clear? No? Fine. Very clear cut statement. All right. Now, let us calculate what is the mass of this segment. So, mass of segment CQ. Hey, everyone, listen to me very carefully. Only one time I will tell. This is class 3 concept. Unitary method. Total mass is M. So, what is the mass per unit length? M by L. For the rope, total mass is M, total length is L. So mass per unit length is M by L. Then what is the mass for length L minus X? Into L minus X. Plain unitary method. Okay, I will make you understand. Suppose in a box there are 20 eggs. Combined weight of 20 egg, they are saying 1 kg. Now tell me what is the weight of 3 eggs? Sir, 20 egg is equivalent to 1 kg, sir. 1 egg is equivalent to 1 by 20 kg, sir. So 3 egg is equivalent to 3 into 1 by 20 kg, sir. Correct? So L number of eggs equivalent to m kg, L minus X egg is equal to m by L into L minus X. Understood? Okay. Fine. Okay. Now let us go for it. Yeah. So weight of the rope of length CQ, how much you got? M by L into L minus X is the mass. That into G is the weight. Plus block weight is capital MG. All right, no? Fine. So TC will be equal to, take this M common, you are getting 1 minus X by L plus capital M into G. So this is going to be our primary equation. Let us say this is equation number 1. Yes, Altaf, tell me.
Sir, can you scroll up?
Okay.
No, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Devit,
Sir, what is small m, sir?
small m is the mass of the rope.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Sriram,
Sir, I had a general doubt.
tell me.
Sir, what is the difference between mass and weight, sir?
Mass is the quantity of matter involved, right?
Okay, sir.
And weight is actually the brute force by which art attracts it.
Okay, sir.
Chalo. So next, you see. Now, if you think about point P, arey yaar, what is the value of x at point P? 0, na? Value of x at point P, 0. So now at P, x is equal to 0. So tension at P is equal to how much? Small m plus capital M into G. From 1 we are getting this. This we are getting from 1. Right? Even you forget the equation, apply concept. Here from point P, entire rope is hanging and the block is hanging. So what is the weight of the entire rope? Small mg. What is the weight of the block? Capital Mg. So net tension equal to small mg plus capital Mg. Correct, no? Fine. What about Q here? At Q, what is the value of x? L. At Q, the value of x is equal to L. So even think conceptually. Beyond Q, is there any part of the rope? No, na? So below Q, which is hanging? Only the block is hanging, no? I repeat again, below Q, there is no rope hanging. Only the block is hanging. So tension at Q will be generated by weight of the block, right? So can I write tension at point Q is equal to capital Mg? Or else if you want to check, you do one, just put x equal to L. You see from equation 1 also you're getting the same answer. Okay, clear everyone? Fine, no? Chal fatafat. Just one more point. So what we are observing, as x is increasing, tension is decreasing. Right, Re Babu? Chalo, fatafat make a graph quickly. T versus x graph. So you can clearly see at x equal to 0, tension was maximum. How much is the maximum value? This is maximum value. Right? At x equal to L, tension was minimum. What is the minimum value? This is the minimum value. So this point is coming where? This point is coming here. So as x increases, t decreases. So the graph stands out like this. अरे क्या हो गया भाई? Like this. Okay, is that clear? Fine, no? Chalo, tata, bye bye. I will take the doubt in afternoon session. Don't worry. I will take the doubts in the afternoon session. Sritan?
So one screen is scroll up.
Sure, I can. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Shrutik?
Sir, for massless rope, directly T is equals to mg, sir.
Yes, Shrutik. I will take all these doubts in the afternoon. Huh? Right now, I have another class waiting.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Right. Chalo. Yes, Mani.
Sir, CDF portion.
CDF I will show in the afternoon. Don't worry. Right in the
Okay,
beginning
sir.
also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Chalo. Bye
Thank you, sir.
everyone. Bye.